Hey everyone, Jason from VASA Productions here to show you a faster, less annoying way to turn your long footage into slick, high-performing B-roll clips with an AI tool. If you are used to editing in Resolve and tweaking every cut, this next method will feel like cheating in the best possible way. Picture having hours of raw content from a workout, interview, or stream that all needs to be professionally condensed for social media. Normally, you import, drag clips to the timeline, trim them down to a few seconds each, and then laboriously add in your preferred transitions. While that approach gives full control, it is painfully manual, extremely slow, and easily traps you in a loop of endless tiny adjustments. Enter Vizard. Instead of manually scrubbing for those micro moments, the AI analyzes your entire video and instantly locates the best segments for you. It intelligently scans for high energy, high reaction, or high engagement segments and automatically cuts them into ready-to-use B-roll style clips. You immediately get attention-grabbing clips in multiple formats: TikTok, Reels, Shorts, all delivered without the usual guesswork involved in the process. The incredible result is going from many hours of raw footage to a stack of perfectly shareable clips in just a few minutes. To begin, you simply upload your entire long video file into Vizard, which supports lengthy uploads without any pre-segmentation required. Once processed, the AI presents you with a clear timeline populated with all the suggested highlight moments it has already detected. These suggestions are accurate because the AI looks for significant spikes in audio energy, rapid visual motion, and key changes in facial expression or action. You can quickly scrub through the suggested clips, accept the ones you like, or ask the system for even more alternative options right away. After just one quick pass, you will have 3 or 4 punchy clips ready. Essentially the same content we manually put on the timeline, but without the trimming. Vizard fully respects your editing needs by allowing you to fine-tune professional touches like directional pushes, smooth easing, and the right amount of motion blur. Once your clips are selected, you can apply sophisticated transition styles automatically, such as choosing a directional push that the tool applies perfectly between every single cut. Furthermore, the system intelligently adds the necessary easing so that the cuts feel smooth and professional, mirroring the result of manually setting in and out points. The huge difference is that Vizard applies this complex styling across your entire selection at scale, saving you from ever needing to copy and paste settings repeatedly. You gain precise control over the motion blur applied per transition, letting you dial in a subtle value like 0.1 for realism without looking soft or muddy. Vizard instantly previews this effect, letting you watch the resulting sequence playback immediately to confirm how the blur smooths the movement between shots. Now, let's talk presets, because this feature is where the entire workflow transitions from efficient to incredibly powerful for your style. In Resolve, you can craft a perfect transition, like a push left with easing and blur, and then save that combination as a reusable preset for future use. Vizard expands on this by letting the AI intelligently apply your created style or preset across similar shot pairs throughout the entire project automatically. If your brand aesthetic demands a push left with soft ease and light blur, Vizard finds those shot pairings and applies your signature look everywhere it fits. This automation saves an enormous amount of manual effort while simultaneously guaranteeing your final edits maintain a perfectly consistent visual language from start to finish. Vizard cleverly mirrors the mental model of starring presets in Resolve, letting you bookmark your go-to moves like a quick zoom pop for instant attention grabs. By starring key presets, you empower the AI to suggest which favorite transition best fits each unique cut based on its context in the video timeline. To be fair, some competing AI editors are fast, but they tend to oversimplify by just chopping everything into arbitrary 10-second clips and slapping on a generic beat. Vizard strikes a necessary balance by being smarter about clip selection, rigorously respecting your custom stylistic choices, and including content management features. The auto schedule feature is a massive game changer because instead of manually exporting and uploading, you just set your desired posting frequency once. If you want 3 high-quality clips posted every week, you set it and forget it, as the AI picks ideal times and queues the content for you automatically. The content calendar provides an underrated single place to manage, review, and publish all your scheduled social posts in one organized view. Need to quickly swap an existing clip for an alternative or rearrange a whole week's worth of posts? I will always love DaVinci Resolve for deep, hands-on color grading in those rare moments requiring truly precise, frame-by-frame timeline control. However, if your main goal is consistently turning long-form content into platform-ready clips as quickly as possible, Vizard removes the repetitive grunt work. This workflow is not about replacing your unique artistry, it's about accelerating the mechanical steps so you can focus on the high-level creative decisions. Here is a quick pro tip. Use Vizard to generate multiple stylistic variants of the same compelling moment for natural A/B testing on socials. Create one push left version, another with less motion blur, and a shorter cut for TikTok, then let the system auto-schedule those variants throughout the week. For teams, Vizard's sharing and approval flow keeps everything tidy by locking down brand-safe transition presets for junior editors to utilize. Final approval happens in one central spot, completely eliminating file confusion and the problem of losing crucial presets inside different project folders. So, if you spend more time drowning in timelines than creating, try this workflow. Discover moments in Vizard, apply your favorite presets, and push the schedule live. You still have the option to jump into Resolve for heavy lifting, but for everyday short-form production, this combo is an undeniable win. If you like this rundown and want to see a quick demo of Vizard's timeline and presets in action, please smash that like and subscribe button right now. Finally, drop a comment below telling me what kind of footage you want me to run through next. long interviews, podcasts, workouts, or anything at all. I'm Jason from VASA Productions, and I'll throw your footage into Vizard to show you the exact clips it pulls and how I polish them next time. I'm Jason from VASA Productions. See you in the next one, and happy editing.